Hello everybody, let's dip some s'mores cakesicles together. So I pre-cut these cakesicles earlier today. I have them mixed with vanilla Cakepop dough, graham crackers, and mini dehydrated marshmallows. Just gonna put it in your holder. Like I cut mine in multiples, so I usually will put them or split them up as I put them in the holder. Take your popsicle stick, you just need a little bit of chocolate and put it at least halfway through your cakesicle. Just going back and forth on if I was going to dip these in white chocolate or milk chocolate. Obviously I decided milk chocolate, but I do like how the white chocolate looks with the milk chocolate drip, if you know what I'm talking about. But I think I'm going to like these a little bit better. I wanted them to really be strictly s'mores, so typically I will do all of them, and then I have an extra parchment paper over here. I'm just going to take these and I'm going to put them on until I dip them so I can get all of them on this tray. And we're going to load it up again. I'm not sponsored, but I really do recommend these Daisy Makes products because honestly they save so much time. The flat Cakepop versus a round Cakepop or Cakesicle or whatever it is, it just takes a lot more time. So these are really, really helpful. So I cut these earlier today and I cut them when they were cold. So I left them on the counter all day so that they could adjust to room temperature. One thing I want to mention, make sure you're getting food safe popsicle sticks because the craft sticks at the store are not food safe. So please be careful. I almost made that mistake one time. I was completely out of popsicle sticks and I ran to the store and I saw them and I almost bought them. So don't make that mistake. So I always put everything in like the direction that I'm going to dip. So the cakesicles I'm going to grab, I'm going to dip, put my toppings on, and then lay it down. I've seen the s'mores flavor be very popular, especially since we're going into the fall time, so I wanted to do it. I scraped it back just a tiny bit, not enough to expose the cake. But there we go. All right, and then I'm gonna do the marshmallows first just because they won't adhere if you do the graham crackers first, because the graham crackers will take up the majority of the surface. So marshmallows first, then graham crackers. That's how it turns out. And then I'm just going to do the same thing to all of these. So I'm going to have a bakery stand this weekend. And cakesicles are always a really big item that goes. People love them. So if you do bakery stands or farm stands or anything like that, I recommend doing cakesicles. These look amazing. Let me show you.